Welcome to the War Memorial Gym, home of the School of Kinesiology at Acadia University. I'm Caitlin Gary.
And I'm Joe Salmon.
And we'll be introducing you to kinesiology here at Acadia and walking you through some of the key elements of our program.
Kinesiology is the study of human movement and its role in our lives. The Acadia Kinesiology program allows students to explore these concepts in a variety of ways.
Students learn about how the body performs during exercise in our anatomy, physiology, and exercise physiology labs. Later in the program, students have the opportunity to dive deeper into this area of exercise science and training, which can lead to a CSEP qualification.
Our upper year students also have the opportunity to work with varsity athletics as student therapists in the Sports Injury Assessment Management, or SIAM program. These students learn injury assessment and prevention through practical and clinical experiences.
Kinesiology classes can be grouped together in a particular area of kinesiology, such as leadership, coaching, and training, as well as health promotion and wellness.
Students in our program work very closely with other faculties and even have the option to complete a kinesiology with another program, such as nutrition.
You could also take groupings of courses in areas such as biology or psychology.
We also have a state-of-the-art motion capture lab in which students can conduct honors research.
Students have the opportunity to pursue honors research to explore more in-depth concepts in biomechanics, adaptive physical activity, sports psychology, motor learning, and more.
Acadia offers many hands-on opportunities to work with the community in programs like Kinder Skills for preschoolers.
Other programs like Acadia Active Aging and Cardiac Rehab allow students to work with seniors in the community.
The SMILE program plays a vital role in the community of Wolfville and is supported by dedicated Acadia Kinesiology students who are paired with children and adults living with disabilities.
We hope you've enjoyed learning about our program. Our favorite things about Acadia Kin are the hands-on learning, close-knit community, and extracurricular opportunities.
We hope to see you in the fall so we can welcome you to the Acadia Kinesiology family.